During a walk along the way, there's evidence all around that the season is coming to its conclusion as summer toggles on the edge of autumn. Pileated woodpeckers making preparations for the end of summer. Cute little baby squirrels squirrel around in the trees. Children can be heard playing at a distance, savoring the last days of summer before school. All of the creatures and people along the way seem to be enjoying the last days and last soft breezes of summer. There are so many beautiful and wonderful creatures that inhabit the space we walk through every day. During your walks along the way, notice nature, naturally naked nature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.